Hello and welcome to my home show. Today we are going to explore a profound topic, white martyrdom in today's world. To explore deeper today's topic, I was lucky today to be joined by Gen Z, Gloria Mary Ogochukwu. So we'll be also in our today's show with Antoine Muhombania.
Yes.
Nzanzu.
Yeah.
Which comes first and which comes next?
Nzanzu comes first. Nzanzu, Muhombania, then Antoine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ngabo, Andrew Gisa. Thanks so much for joining our today's show.
Yeah, thanks a lot. It's always a pleasure.
All right, it is going to be hot. Before we get into today's conversation, I want Gloria, please say something in the local language. I'm very sure they are ready to understand and they feel happy to hear the language.
Okay.
5 seconds.
Ndị be anyị daalụ nụ, abụ m nwaada onye nke unu. Ekele dịrị unu.
What does it mean?
Oh, it means I was saying hi to my people that I'm one of their own daughter. Yeah.
Antoine, can you do the same but not in this language? What is language? What is it?
It's Igbo language.
Igbo.
Yeah, one of the languages in Nigeria. Yeah.
Igbo. Antoine, not in Nigeria.
Yes. Habari yenu, natumai mlipitisha mchana mwema na walika kufuata kipindi My Home Show kwenye PACIS TV.
Wow. Chono visemo PACIS TV. Andrew Gisa. It is your turn.
Mwese tubahaye ikaze kuri kino kiganiro kabisa twifuza ko muza kuryoherwa kandi kabisa mwese ijoro ryiza.
All right, dear viewers, before we start our conversation, I kindly remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, as usual, the name of the host is Ferry HT. Andrew, where is Jenny said? Are you also Jenny said?
No, I think we are the millennials here. We are the millennials here, so we'll give a different point of view, which is actually good for the viewers.
All right, so we are talking about Gen Z and white martyrdom, though it is not today's topic, but we are sitting with alongside Gen Z, and someone among those who are watching now may think that we are going to talk about the. Why are you laughing? The Gen Z situation these days. Is there something it has to do with the Gen Z in today's situation? The Gen Z, what are they are busy with something. Can you call that a white martyrdom or red martyrdom?
I think the best way to address that would be to first define the two for our viewers. I would say red martyrdom is what most people identify with martyrdom, and that involves a dying or a person passing away when for a higher conviction, being for us Christians, being for our Lord Jesus Christ or God. However, white martyrdom is different in this kind, in that for it there is no death involved, just involves personal sacrifice by sacrificing glory, comfort, when it's done in the name of the Lord. So I think after defining those two, I would say for the Gen Zs, in the modern world, I think they've taken it a step further in that they obviously are go-getters. They chase after what they want, but they make their problems the entire world's problems, if I can put it like that.
Antoine,
Okay.
you are you busy with the ready martyrdom or white martyrdom?
White martyrdom. I think, depending on the situation and depending on maybe the places, they are busy with both of them, white and red martyrdom. Yes. Depending on the cases, depending actually on the goal they want to attain, depending on what they are defending. Yes, they may be passing away, they may die, or they may also sacrifice some, like some privileges, like comfort, to make their voice understood. Yeah.
Gloria.
I
So
would
they're doing